Yeah, guys, good morning. Last class we started binary trees. Yeah, we continue with that binary trees concept. Yeah, last class binary trees completed, trees technology we discussed, and binary trees. We started binary trees, and I have given some equations to right to draw the binary trees. Yeah, yeah, binary tree. Right, guys? What is a binary tree? Each node in the tree at most it contains two children at most. Okay, at least it may contain zero also, but at max two childrens. Okay, same like family planning. Remember family planning, then you can understand clearly. Okay, see this. And also, if I give an equation, last class I told you a plus b. This is the equation if I give how to draw the binary tree, right? Binary is a root is a first plus is a root, left side a, right side b. This is a diagram, right? We have three orders. We can access the elements three orders: in order traverse, pre-order traverse, post-order traverse. In order traverse, left to parent, right. Pre-order traverse, parent comes to first, parent left to right. Post-order traverse, left to right parent. Parent goes to last. Post means last. Pre means first. In means middle. Left parent right. Parent left right. Left right parent. Yeah, left to right parent right. What is the left here? A parent plus B. This is in order. Pre-order. Parent plus left to right. A B. Post order. Left to right parent. A B plus. This is post order travel. Okay, no? Left right parent. Last class we have drawn this diagram, right? Yeah, guys. Another 2 minutes. Others also joining. Okay, another 2 minutes. Just how to draw the diagram. By the time we have given an equation, no? Draw the diagrams and draw the all orders, guys. First diagram. Draw the diagram. Yeah, completed. The diagram, one by one diagram, I will show you. See, guys. Here, what is the root node? Divide the equation into two parts. Always. This is the left part, this is the right part, guys. Yeah, here root is what? This is a root. Yeah, root is this. Yeah, what is the left side? A minus B. Yeah, see this. The root is this. What is the left side? A minus B. Again A minus B, 3 only. Again root minus A left side, B right side. Okay. Again this side, right side, again divided into this is two expression. This is the left side, this is the right side. Again plus left side C into D. Again into this is into left side C, right side D, this side E. Okay, now in order, pre-order, post-order, traverse. In order only, that equation is in order. Pre-order, post-order. Pre-order, post-order. What is in order? Pre-order. First one is pre-order is what? Parent comes first, left, right. First, parent is what? Division. Good. Left. When it comes to left, again tree is there. Follow parent left, right. Again parent is this. Left A, right B. Parent left completed. Come to the right. This is again right. Again tree, guys. Follow parent left. Parent plus parent left. Left again tree is there. Okay. Again follow parent left. Parent left right. Okay. This is parent left completed. Finally, this is E. This is pre-order. Post order, guys. What is post order? Left to right parent. First left. This is parent, no? Left is this. Left subtree. The left subtree again. What is the left? A. Left right. B. Parent. This is left completed again. Come to the right. Again right. Left to right. Okay. Right. Left to right. This is left is again subtree. Again this follow. C deep into. This is left. Right. E. Parent plus. This is post order, guys. Yeah, draw this. Write this pre-order, post-order. Next diagram we draw. Yeah, next second equation, guys. Yeah, first one. This one, second diagram. Divide into equation two parts. This is the left part, right part. Plus this is plus, guys. Root is plus a into b, left side. Again into a left side, b right side. C by d. Division C left side, D right side. Yeah, pre-order. That is in order only. What is a pre-order? Parent, parent left right. Yeah. What is parent left right plus parent left again this one left right. Parent left right right side also. Again parent left right. This is pre-order. Post-order. What is post-order? Left right parent. First, this is parent, no? Left. Come to left. Left subtree is there. Again, follow this. A, B, parent. A, left, right, parent. Come to right. Left, right, parent. C, D, and plus. Write this. Last one. Raghavi. A, B into post-order, pre-order. AB into CD division plus. This is the answer for post order. Plus last. Yeah, last one. Yeah, how to try a last one, guys? Divide the equation first. How to divide the equation into two parts? Is it possible? First, a plus b, right? Right side is plus c again. Till here, this is correct, no? Till here, one part, left part, this is the right part, plus right side d, left side, again it comes to this plus right side c, left side a plus b, again plus left side a, right side b. This is pre-order. Write the pre-order, guys. What is pre-order? Parent left to right. Parent left to right. In order we are sorry, pre-order we are writing. First parent plus, again left subtree is there. Again parent plus plus plus, left a b, okay, left to right. Again it is total left, right is what? C, D. This is a pre-order, guys. Post order, left, right parent, post order. Yeah, what is a post order, guys? Left to right parent. If you take this, this is a left again. Again, this is a left. A left, A left, right parent. This is left completed. Again, C parent plus right parent. This is the answer. AB plus C plus D plus. This is a post order, guys. Okay, now next binary search tree. Yeah, Vivek. BST, binary search tree are yeah, before that, full binary tree are complete binary tree.
ఆయన తీసుకొచ్చింది నేనే, ఆయన ఆఫీస్ తీసుకుపోయింది నేనే, ఆయన జెన్యున్ అని చెప్పింది నేనే. నన్నే అని చెప్పి మరి ఆయన వేరే
Yeah, what is a full binary tree? For example, tree height is h. Okay, h height is, for example, height is 3. Okay, for example, height is 3, or depth, height or depth. Okay, if all levels are completed, then you can say full binary tree. Okay, a tree height is h, 2 power h plus 1 elements it has. For example, h is height, 2 power h plus 1 minus 1 elements are there. Then it is called full binary tree. For example, full binary tree. Yeah, for example, see this. One element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Height is how much? Height is 2. Height is 2. Yeah, how many elements it should contain? 2 power h plus 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 minus 1. What about 2 power 3? 8 minus 1. Elements, 7 elements. 3, 4, 7. If 7 elements it contains, then you can say it's a full binary tree. Are all levels completed also? Then you can say full binary tree, guys. Okay, na? Full binary tree. A tree height is h, and it may contain 2 power h plus 1 minus element. Then you can say full binary tree. Okay, a tree height is right. A binary tree, sorry, a binary tree height is h, and it contains 2 power h plus 1 minus 1 elements. Then it is called, then that binary tree is called full binary tree. Or we can write another definition also. If all levels are completely filled, then you can say it is also binary tree, guys. For example, all levels except last level. Except last level, it is having all elements except last level. Then also you can say complete binary tree, guys. Okay, I will give a diagrams. See, Yeah, draw the diagram, guys. See this. It is also full binary tree. This is also full binary tree. Except last level, it has contain all elements. It is full except last element, full binary tree. Write some elements A, B, except last level we can give a chance or except last level. Okay, if it is not completely filled, then also you can say it's a complete binary tree. Now draw the diagrams. Completed. Yeah, next one, guys, BST, binary search tree. Yeah, a binary tree can be called as a binary search tree. It has to follow three rules. Binary search tree. It has to follow three rules. It has to follow below rules. One is left element, left node should be less than parent. Second one, right node should be greater than parent. Third, duplicates are not allowed. Yeah, I will draw some diagrams. See, once first write these three rules. I will explain about a binary tree can be called as a binary search tree. It has to follow below rules. Three rules is there. Left node should be less than the parent, less than the parent. Right node should be greater than the parent, and duplicates are not allowed. These three rules it has to follow. what is binary search tree? Listen carefully. Yeah, guys. Binary tree means what is a binary tree and binary search tree. Binary tree contains two elements. Okay, at max two childrens. But what is a binary search tree? Binary search tree means what, guys? Left side. It has to follow the rule. For example, if I take one element, see this left side 10. If I take left side element should be less than. For example, I will take some elements, guys. So we draw that binary search tree. I will follow BST. How to create BST? 10 I am writing. 10, 5, 7, 15, 12, 20, and 3. For example, first simple diagram I will draw. First take 10, guys. This is 10. First element is a root, guys. First element is a root. While constructing binary search tree, next to 5, guys. Next element is 5. It is a less than, no? It should be less than. Left side should be there, guys. Left side. What is the element? 5. What is the next element? 7. First, check it with the 10. 7 is greater than, no, less than. Less than means left side. Already 5 is there. You have to check with 5. 7 is greater than 5, no? Right side, it should be right side. Now 7 should be here. Are you following, guys? This is 7. Yeah, next element is what? 15. Check with parent, root node. Greater than, no? Right side. 15. To right side of 10. Next to 12. First check with 10. It's the right side only. Already 15 is there. We have to check with 15. 12 is less than 15. It should be less than to 15. Next element 20. Check with 10. Yeah, 20 is greater than 10. Yeah, right side. Right side already 15 is there. Check with 15. 20 is greater than 15. Right side to 15. This is 20. Okay, next what is the last element? 3. Check with 10, guys. 3 is less than 10. Yes, left side. Already left side 5 is there. 3 with 5. Yeah, left side. Now 3 comes to left side, guys. This is a simple diagram. That's why first diagram, no? That's why I have given a whole binary tree. Yeah, I have given right simple diagram first, right? That's why. Same 3 orders will be there, guys. What are the 3 orders? Pre-order, post-order, in-order. Okay, in-order, pre-order, post-order. Write these 3 orders, guys. First one in order. You know, right? What is in order, pre-order, post-orders? In order is what? Left parent, right? Pre-order. You know pre-order, right? Yeah, what is pre-order, guys? Parent, left, right. Next post-order. Yeah, what is post-order, guys? Left to right to parent. Okay. Yeah, first in order we draw in order elements, guys. In order. What is in order? First left parent, right. This is parent, no? Left, again left subtree is there. Are you following, guys? See once. This is parent. Yeah, this is the left subtree. In the left subtree, what is required? Left only. In the left, again follow left. 3 first. 3 left parent. Parent is 5. Right. What is right? 7. This is a left completed. When come to parent, parent is how much? 10. These two also completed. right part. What is the right part? Again, tree is there. Again, tree. Same follow, left parent right. What is the left? 15 parent. Left parent. What is parent, guys? Sorry, this is 12, no? This is 12, guys, actually. This is 12. Left 12. Yeah. 15. Left parent. Parent is how much? 15. Right is 20. 12, 15, 20. This is the answer. 3, 5, 7. If you observe 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20. Remember, in order always ascending order, guys. In order always ascending order. Directly we can write. Okay, this is not 15, it's the 12. Remember, in order always ascending order. Blindly you can write. Okay, see this. What I have to write? 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 20. Pre-order, post-order, not like that. Okay, no? What is pre-order we write? Right, pre-order, guys. What is pre-order? Parent, left, right. What is parent? First parent, 10. Parent 10. Left, when it comes to left, left subtree is there. Again, parent left, right. 5, 3, 7. 5, 3, 7. Parent left, right. Again, whenever it comes to right, parent left, right. What is parent? 15, 12, 20. 15, 12, 20. This is pre-order. Okay, now? Post-order, guys. Yeah, what is post-order? We write post-orders also. What is post-order, guys? What is post-order, right? Post-order means left, right parent. What is the left? Right parent. Left. First 10, left is left subtree. Right is right subtree. Left 3, right 7, parent 5. This is again left total. Right, when it comes to right, again left, right parent. 12, 20, 15. 12, 20, 15. Finally, parent is 10. Already we have written this. Clear up? 3, 7, 5, 12. Yeah, Raghavi, very good. Yeah, write this diagram, guys, and also I will give some equations, some numbers, rather numbers for the remaining equation. 15, 10, 25, 31, 12, 7, 60, not 60. Yeah, write this one, and I will give one more equation. Yeah, these two diagrams, rather these two diagrams also. Now, BST guys. Yeah, Nitin, 7, 10, 12. Yeah, first this diagram 15, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Yeah, see this. Just I want to copy this. Okay, 15, 12, these elements I want to draw. Yeah, Harish Kumar, we check it whether they are correct or not, we check it. Yeah, this is first 15, no? 15 is here. Next 10, 10 left side, no? This is 10 left side. Next 25, 25 is the right side. 25 is right side. Okay, first we have to check with the root element. Remember, while implementation also check with 25. Next 31, first 15, 31 is greater than 15. Yeah, okay, right side should be there. Right side already is there. Check 31 with 25. Right side we have to check with the 25 right side. This is 31. Okay, no, this is 31. Yeah, next one is what? 12. 12 is what? Check with 15. Left side already 10 is there. This is a 15 here. We have to write 15. Yeah, sorry, not 15, 12. It's a 12. 12 is a right side to 10. Next 7 is left side. 7 is the left side. 17. What is 17? Which side you have to write, guys? Tell me. 17 is where? In order same only, guys. In order same. 17 which side? 25, right? 25 left is 17. Yeah, 20. Why should we write 20? 20 has to write this side. This is 20. 20, 17 right side. Yeah, now in order, you know, right? 7, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 25, 31. Pre-order. What is pre-order, guys? Parent left, right. What is parent left, right? We write parent first. What is the parent? First 15. Left, again, parent left side. 10. Parent left, right. 7, 12. This is parent left, right. Parent left completed. Right. When it comes to right, parent left, right. 25. Parent left. When it comes to left, again 3. Parent left, right. 17, 20. Yeah. This is left completed. Right. 31. Yeah. Did you write like this? 15, 10, 7, 12. Yes. 25, 17, 20, 31. Very good, guys. Pre-order. Many of you write correct only. Yeah, 15, 10, 7. Yeah, Nitin correct only, Nitin. Yeah, good. Yeah, post order. What is post order, guys? Left to right parent. What is the left right parent? Take left right parent, guys. What is the left right parent? 7, 12, right? First 7, 12, 10. This is left right parent. This is completed. Right, when it comes to right, left right parent. Left is this only. This is a left subtree. Left right parent. There is no right, no. 20, 17, 20, 17, 31, 25. Yeah, did you write like this? 7, 12, 10, 20. Yeah, finally 15, guys. 7, 12, 10, yeah, 20, 17, 31, 25, 15. Yeah, very good. Yeah, Sweta. Yeah, very good, Sweta. Yeah, 7, 12, 10. Nitin. 20. Post order wrong, Nitin. One check it. Post order. 7, 12, 10, 20. 7, 12, 10, 20. 17 missed in our post order, Nitin. 17 missed. This is missed, right? Yeah, this is a pre-order post order. Last one, guys. Yeah, this is 20. We draw one more. See this, guys. If you give like this tree format, that is easy only, guys. Okay. If they did not give a tree format, then only it is not possible. This is finished. The second one. Second one, guys. This is in order. This is pre-order, post order. This is only important. Why am I telling this many questions, right? Just they give elements, write the post order. They give the post orders, find out, write the in order. They give diagram, writing is easy. If they have given the elements, writing is difficult. For example, if they have given pre-order, this tree, pre-order they have given, you have to write a in order, guys, or post order. If I give in order or any order, if you give, remaining orders has to write. That is not easy. Okay. Yeah, duplicates, leave it. If 10 is repeated, leave it. That is duplicate, not allowed. It won't take. Okay, no problem. It doesn't take that elements. The first element is 20. Next 15. 15 is the left side. Yeah, guys, you have to practice many kind of questions like this. They give in order or any one order, remaining two orders has to write. That is not that easy. Remember, that is not that easy. Okay. 2015. I will tell you, see this. 2015, 10. 10 is the left side. 10 is the left side. 18. 18 is the right side. Yes. Next 5. 5 is the left side. 30. 30 is right side. 25 left side. 25 left side. 40. 40. 22. Where is the left side now? This is 22. If they are not full binary trees, then only it is some difficulty to write. Yeah, pre-order guys, parent left right. Yeah, right guys, what is parent left right? First element, what is parent? 20. This is a pre-order we are writing, 20. Left again 3 is there. Again parent, 15. Left again 3 is there, 10. Left, right is not there, 18. Parent 20, 15. This again a parent, again parent, left 5. There is no right, right is there. This left is completed. Right, when it comes to parent left right, parent 30, left is 25. Again parent is this only, left is 22. Right, there is no right here, right is there 40. Yeah, did you write like this correct? In order same guys, in order we'll get 20, 15. Yeah, Sai Sampriti 20, 50, 10. Okay, 5, 18. Yes, 30, 25, 22, 40. Yes, very good Sai Sampriti. Next, post order. This is a pre-order guys. Yeah, what is post order? What is post order? You know, right? Left right parent. Left right parent. What is the left? This is parent. Left is left subtree. Again, this is parent. This is a left subtree. Left 5. Right is not there. Parent 10. 5. Left, right is not there. Parent. This is left again. Right 18, 15. Okay. This is right parent. Okay. Right is there again. When it comes to 30, parent left right. Left right parent. 30, 30 left is there. Again 22 left, right is not there. Parent is there. 25. Left to right 40, 30, 20. This is a post order. Five, 10, 18, 15, 22. Yeah, Nikhila, very good. 18, 15, 22, 25, 40, 30, 20. Post order. Yeah, very good, guys. Ravichandra. 5, 10, 18, 15, 22, 25, 40, 30. Yeah, very good. Last one, guys. This is for example, if they have given tree diagram, that is good only. For example, if they are giving like this, 15, 10, 5, 15, 10, 8, 5, 7, 3, 2, 1. For example, if they have given the diagram like this, yeah, you try this, guys. If they have given the diagram like this, this is finishing now. Last one. Yeah, you understood, right? Yeah, in next session, guys, in next session we discuss implementation of BST. Don't miss. 2 classes I will take. Don't worry to implement that. First, I will roughly I will explain how to do that. Function wise, I will write. Again, I will write program. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I will explain clearly. Don't worry. Three functions. First, three functions how to write. Before I will explain. Recursive functions you should know. Recursive functions also I will tell you. After that, this diagram, this implementation I will tell you. But it's look like a difficulty, that program. It's look like a difficulty. But if you see, you have to divide into the branches, guys. Anything, if you feel difficulty, remember, you have to divide it into the subparts. And you divide it into the subparts, then it's easy. Okay? Are you following, guys? In next session, I will discuss implementation of the diagram, right? Implementation of BST. For this, recursive functions is needed. Once go through recursive functions, guys. Again, I will explain. But recursive functions, that is by practice, you'll get that. By practice. Not if you check one time, you won't get that. By practice only, recursive functions, you can understand. By practice. Other topics, if you check one time, the pre-order is there. If you check one time, you can understand. Post-order also same. This is about travels. One time, if you check it, you can understand easily. But recursive functions, not like that. Okay, next session will continue, guys. Thank you. Finished? All diagrams finished, right? Yes, guys. Yeah, Shrikar. Actually, how many topics left? BST in next session will finish, and graphs and sorting, searching. Another 3-4 sessions is required, guys. 3-4 sections. Next by next week we finish all the topics in DS also. Okay. Yeah, Pranayadi. Thank you, guys.